chimney tonight.
So I came here today to celebrate the boys. Let's go.
Only thing I'm gonna tell you is today, you get a hold of me. Everything I got, I'm leaving here today. For y'all, everything in me, I'm leaving it out right here. That's all I need to be said. This circle, everything you got, 60 minutes or more. Let's dominate, fellas. Dominate on 3, 1, 2, 3.
All right, let me punch it up and ball security and catch and runs. Let's go.
Takes the snap, play fake inside throw, left for Marcus Jones. Looks ahead to the 40, 35-30, 25-20. The rookie is loose to the 10. Judo scores! Touchdown, Patriots!
That big Marcus right now. What the happened? Hey, Zimmy!
Rolls to his right. Allen outside the pocket. He's being chased by Matt Wilson. He throws along the sideline. He finds a receiver. Touchdown, Buffalo.
So we got to go down and try to get a score before halftime.
41, he takes the snap with a fake inside. He's chased by Uche, who gets to it. The ball is loose. It's going to be picked up by Judon. The Patriots stop the clock with 1:20 to go.
Hey, the runs are going to be there, all right? The runs are going to be there.
Give to Ramondre Stevenson, runs it up the middle, breaks a tackle across the 50, and drives a pair of defenders to the 45 of Buffalo. Quick throw out to the left, caught by Henry. Cardona snap to Pilardi. The kick by Folk, airborne to the upright. That kick, and it hits off the goalpost, and careens no good. Allen hands it off, a run up the middle by Singletary, into the end zone on his feet. Touchdown, Buffalo. Matt takes the snap, he dances in the pocket, he's being pressured, he's chased, escapes an ankle tackle by Basham. Jones pulls up, Basham stays in the play, Max circles back, running right, he's going backward to the 40, circles forward to the 35, pulls up, throws it deep to the end zone, nearly intercepted. As the ball lands incomplete, Xavier Rhodes on the coverage.
It starts with us. Okay, and then it goes everywhere else. Okay? Each and every play on offense, 11 people have to do their job.
Patriots now have 5 games left to try to fight their way into postseason contention.